After several weeks of price rally and upward divergence from the rest of the market, THORChain has begun to fall, becoming the asset with the most significant drop in all the last week. Data from CoinMarketCap showed in August, RUNE outperformed the rest of the cryptocurrency market, rallying by 66%. This is mainly due to two factors. First, RUNE has a low positive correlation with Bitcoin, whose price fell by 10% during the same period. And second, THORChain, the decentralized liquidity network on which RUNE is the native token, implemented a series of protocol updates. However, as profit-taking activity gains traction, RUNE's price has fallen by 11% in the last 7 days. And an indication of profit-taking activity amongst RUNE investors was its moving average convergence divergence observed on a daily chart. The indicator initiated a downward crossover of the trend line by the MACD line on 22nd of September, confirming the commencement of a new bear cycle. This is a bear signal because a downward crossover of the trend line
indicates that momentum is shifting to the downside.
And moreover, RUNE's distribution has exceeded its accumulation, with its key momentum indicators pointing south, suggesting that the downtrend is likely to continue. Although still positioned above their respective center lines, the token's relative strength index and the money flow index truncated their uptrends when the price started to fall. Should sentiment becoming increasingly bearish, these indicators might fall below their center lines and head toward oversold zones. And then a separative value, probably reaffiliate or a reaffiliate value, the game method for those tokens. CMF, if you look at the number, that's pretty much turned into the property for the market as it signals increased liquidity exit from an asset spot market. And having the Zako company, sometimes it's just somebody grows in that Indus kind of seam. It's pretty much a relatively small number of buyers is driving the price rally, and that there is not a lot of new money flowing into the asset. There's $1.5 billion, so much of at $50 to $78 million of press time. RUNE's open interest has fallen by 36% in the last week. Data from CoinGlass showed, with a downward price correction underway, participants in tokens futures markets may no longer be incentivized to enter trade positions for the time being.